Living in a vibrant coastal area has many advantages, but it can also come with constant background noise, from traffic and nightlife to ocean winds and neighborhood activity. For homeowners in Miami Beach, creating a peaceful indoor environment is essential for comfort and relaxation. One effective way to reduce unwanted noise is by upgrading to sound-reducing replacement doors. Your entry door plays a bigger role in noise control than you might expect. Older or poorly insulated doors often allow sound to pass through easily, making it difficult to escape outside disturbances. Modern replacement doors, however, are designed with advanced materials and construction techniques that help block and absorb sound, creating a quieter living space. One of the key features of sound-reducing doors is their solid core construction. Unlike hollow core doors, which provide little resistance to sound, solid core options are much denser. This added mass helps absorb sound waves rather than allowing them to travel through the door. For Miami Beach homeowners, this can significantly reduce noise from busy streets, nearby businesses, or outdoor gatherings. Material choice also plays an important role. Fiberglass and steel doors are popular options for noise reduction because of their strength and insulating properties. Fiberglass doors often include foam cores that not only improve energy efficiency but also help dampen sound. Steel doors, on the other hand, offer durability and density, making them effective at blocking external noise. Sealing is another critical factor in sound reduction. Even the most advanced door won't perform well if there are gaps around the frame. Sound can easily travel through small openings, reducing the effectiveness of your door. High-quality replacement doors are installed with tight-fitting frames and premium weather stripping that create a secure seal. This not only prevents air leaks but also blocks sound from entering your home. Thresholds and door sweeps also contribute to noise control. These components seal the space at the bottom of the door, which is a common area for sound to enter. When properly installed, they complete the barrier, ensuring that your door provides consistent performance from top to bottom. Glass inserts are often a design feature homeowners want, but they can raise concerns about noise. Fortunately, modern doors with glass panels are available with insulated or laminated glass. These options are designed to reduce sound transmission while still allowing natural light to enter your home. This means you don't have to sacrifice style for a quieter environment. In addition to reducing noise, these doors also improve overall comfort. A quieter home creates a more relaxing atmosphere, making it easier to unwind, focus, or enjoy time with family. Whether you're working from home or simply looking to escape the hustle and bustle of Miami Beach, sound-reducing doors can make a noticeable difference in your daily life. Energy efficiency is another added benefit. The same features that block sound, such as insulated cores and tight seals, also help regulate indoor temperatures. This means your home stays cooler during hot, humid days and more comfortable overall. Lower energy usage can lead to savings on utility bills, making your door upgrade even more valuable. Durability is especially important in a coastal environment. Miami Beach homes are exposed to salt air, humidity, and strong sunlight, all of which can affect building materials over time. High-quality replacement doors are built to withstand these conditions while maintaining their performance. This ensures that your door continues to reduce noise and protect your home for years to come. Professional installation is key to achieving the best results. Even a high-performance door won't provide optimal noise reduction if it's not installed correctly. Experienced installers ensure that the door fits perfectly, with no gaps or misalignment, maximizing both sound control and overall performance. Ultimately, upgrading to a sound-reducing replacement door is a smart investment for Miami Beach homeowners. It enhances comfort, improves energy efficiency, and creates a more peaceful living environment, all while maintaining the style and durability needed for coastal living. If outside noise is affecting your home, a new replacement door could be the solution you've been looking for. With the right materials and professional installation, you can enjoy a quieter, more comfortable space that truly feels like a retreat from the world outside.